in the last lecture, we have seen how to insert the image into the Excel, Word, and the PowerPoint. So in this lecture, we're going to import the data. So here I've told you, like in Excel, you will get two options, either to import the data or to import the image. So in this, we will going to import the data. And remember, I told you that you can only import the data from the default view or the saved view generated in the system, not from the custom view, which we have created on the dashboard. For that purpose, I've created the sales data saved view. Click on this, and this will import the data into this our Excel file. So for till that time, let's go here. I will show you, like, this is the view which I am using. This is the card template. I click on this edit. I will show you that we have generated this from the saved view. Click on this view. You can see this is the generated from the model view or from the saved view, not from the custom view. That's why we can import the data into the Excel from that view. So look, this is the thing which we have opened here. And here you can see we have options like what are the versions, like these are the dimension of that module. And we have to select the column. Like I selected the FY23. We are going to show the FY23. If you click on here, you can see like what you want to see, which one you want to see. So I'll use the FY23 as of now. And here you can see the card information. This is the details which we have. Like what is the model last refresh. This is the details for the card. Like whether we want to show that into a sheet or not. So let's say I want to show this and this. This is the website learnify.com, and here you will find the advanced Anaplan courses. For that you have to click on this courses. Here you can see we have 3 Anaplan courses: Anaplan Basic to Advanced, Anaplan Extensions, and a package. And we will soon gonna launch Anaplan Connect. So from here you can have your Anaplan journey. Oh, let's say audio. I don't want to show this. So click on back, and this is the formatting. Like whether you want to have your formatting currencies percentage. So I want this to be present by this grid. Now these are the two options: insert read write and the read only. So in the last add-ins we have already seen like what are the read write connection, what are the read only connection. So in this I am going to create only read only connections, because like read write will again take some time. So although this you can't create a read write connection for this, like you can create a read write connection, but you won't be able to write anything, because this is the data which flows to the formula, not from the input. So as you remember that we can only write those values which are input driven, not the formula driven. So for this purpose, I will only click this insert read only. So this will generate the data here. Let's see, it is inserting the data. So look, this is inserting the data. And yeah, one thing to notice here, because I clicked here, so that's why I started the data from here onwards, not from the here. So you have to keep in mind, like you have to place yourself here. Now if I scroll right, you see I select the FY23, so that's why it's showing me data only for the FY23. And this is the full data from my model or from my saved view which I have created. So if I click on this import image, and let's say I want to import image from here, click on this insert image. So this will insert the image for this data. So this is how we can easily generate the data, put the data from the grid view as well as from the image. So let's so now you can see this is my image and this is my data. So this is how we can create the data from the saved view from the dashboard to this Excel. I go back and we'll see this card in documents. Here we will see we have this card. So we have, for this saved view from this card template, I have two. One is the image you can see here, and one is the grid. And this is how we can have a data from here. Let's suppose I create one more sheet. And this time, instead of creating the data or putting the data from the grid view, I want to use the chart. So from the chart, first let's import the image and then let's import the data as well. So here you can click on insert image. So this will insert the image. So this is the chart we have. I zoom it out. This is the chart image, and let's say from here I want to import the data of this chart. So here you have to scroll down, select a time. Let's say I want to select the FY, let's say 20. Click on apply. Click on insert read only. These are the same options like formatting, all those we have seen in the grid one. So these same options are present over here. So here, look. Now the best part of this, like we are getting the data, the actual data from which this chart is created. So these are the values for my Jan 20. So you can see here, like my FY20 value is around domain is around, let's say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, around 416,000, 416,000. And if I go here and see, look, it's about just this FY20 416,000. So this is how we can even import the chart data into our Excel. So this is one of the best use case for this Microsoft 365.